Finally, a quick release system that's actually quick. In this video, I'm going to show you why the Ulanzi Quick Release Claw makes swapping between your gear easy and secure. The screw plate has a rubber pad on top with a 1/4-inch screw. The base has a 1/4-inch thread on the bottom. All right, it is demonstration time. All right, tripod time. Right on top here, we have the Ulanzi Claw, the base plate. Here we have a camera with the screw plate. And now let me show you. Seconds! And look how secure that camera is on there. Just beautiful. Take it off. 2 buttons. Done. Now I'm going to demonstrate the tripod with a Ulanzi iPhone magnetic mount. And as you can see, it has the screw plate on the bottom. Here we go. Quick. Off. I just love that satisfying click. Now, if you want to lock it, feel free to do so. There's a button right here, locked. Even without the lock though, it is super secure. Let's say I wanted to put a camera on here, no problem. Camera. Done. Seconds. Off. Seconds. Let's do it again. Let's go back to the mount. Put the iPhone on it. Easy. As you can see, the ease of switching gear combined with how secure the claw holds each piece of equipment makes it just a top choice for getting a quick release system. I highly recommend it. That's it for today. I appreciate you viewing this video. I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.